For that, I turn it over to the MCA Foundation President, Emma Schwartz.
Great. Thanks for being with us today. We are excited to announce the DynamicaExpo 2014. Dynamica is a really exciting and innovative two-day event, November 14th and 15th. It's a biomedical research and innovation conference where we are trying to bring together innovators, researchers with medical providers to be able to come up with inspiration for new innovations that will advance our region, both from an economic development perspective as well as from a healthcare improvement perspective. This conference was called Biomed last year. Again, it's November 14th and 15th at the Convention and Performing Arts Center in downtown El Paso. We're really excited about this conference. We have a few exciting announcements. We have 4 really wonderful keynote speakers. The first is Paul DeMonico. He's the Senior Director of R&D at the Clinton Health Access Initiative. Dr. Bruce Bloom is the Chief Medical Officer and Chief Science Officer at West Health, at Cures Within Reach. Dr. Joseph Smith is the Chief Medical Officer and Chief Science Officer at West Health. Rosemary Truman is the founder and CEO of the Center for Advancing Innovation. These 4 keynote speakers coming from all across the country will really help to elevate our conference and really bring information about innovation in this healthcare area. We'll have several workshops and poster sessions and roundtable discussions, including information from all of the 5 research institutions of higher education here in our region. We're really trying to bring together the healthcare industry and research community. We want to have a big thank you to Dynamica's supporters. Sierra Providence Health Network is the title supporter. Thank you very much. Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center, the City of El Paso, BorderRack, that's definitely helping us get the CME units that we need for this conference, and BPSI and Herman Miller. We're very excited to have their participation. It's through their participation that we can put on an exciting conference like this one. And next, I'd like to invite Eric Evans, the Market CEO of Sierra Providence Health Network.
Well, thank you, Emma. What an exciting time for healthcare in El Paso. So I just want to first of all say how exciting it is for me to see the development of the Medical Centers of the Americas, see the development of the infrastructure in our community surrounding healthcare. I'm really honored to be here today representing the largest healthcare provider in our region. Sierra Providence is committed to continuously investing in technology and innovation to ensure that our patients in our community have access to world-class healthcare. Our title sponsorship of the MCA's DynamicaExpo 2014 and the work of the foundation, the great work that RedSky does, you're going to hear more about, is in general very, very aligned with what our network's primary objectives are. And we're certainly proud to be investing in the advancement of our region and our regional healthcare community. In addition to being the title sponsor of DynamicaExpo 2014, Sierra Providence is also proud to be contributing to the conference's programming content through the participation of our medical staff and team members and the showcasing of our advanced medical robotic technology, which crosses many specialties, both orthopedics, more commonly you hear about the Da Vinci, but there's also, we are proud to be the 7th hospital system in the country to actually offer robotic cardiology services. And so, again, going back to our mission really is to bring technology and innovation to healthcare in this region, and so it's perfectly aligned with what the conference is all about, and we're really honored and blessed to have the opportunity to work with them. I also put a little shameless plug in for the Medical Centers of America Foundation. I am on their board. It's an impressive group. They are pushing healthcare forward in our region and really are a key to the regional economy and how we move forward. So I just want to say thank you for your coverage of this event. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Al Di Rienzo, who needs no introduction. So Al.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to come in and speak about Dynamica. So I'm the president of RedSky. For those who don't know about RedSky is a wholly owned for-profit subsidiary of the MCA Foundation. And we are really about being a one-stop shop for any innovator or inventor in healthcare. So anywhere on that concept of commercialization pathway, we can engage and help, whether it's science, it's technology, it's from a funding perspective, landscape studies, from an IT perspective, or marketing perspective, strategic planning. So anywhere on that concept of commercialization pathway, RedSky can engage. The reason that we're so grateful to be partnered with the MCA, our parent, as well as all these other fine sponsors that were mentioned, is because it gives us a chance to really grow the biomedical industry and that research industry in this region. We see that as sustainable economic development, and the reason this conference is so important is because, as Emma mentioned, it brings all these disparate sources together, whether you're industry, your academia, or you're a clinician, a practitioner. It allows them to get together and collaborate and create and dream about new, innovative medical devices, biotech opportunities, pharmacologic opportunities, and we see that as not only important to this region, but also important to the sustainable healthcare, lower cost healthcare, increased provider and clinician and patient satisfaction. So we're very grateful for that. The other thing to realize is this is about economic development. So we're all about creating new jobs, about sustaining the GDP in the region. And so this Dynamica conference helps us to do that. And so we're very excited to have this opportunity for all these disparate groups to come together in workshops, in these keynote sessions and networking sessions, to be able to participate in round tables and panel discussions. It's just an event like none other in this area. We have a really neat art component this year as well. There's science, there's technology, there's practice of medicine. So we're very excited about bringing this to this region. Thank you.